the tree. This is the area where the branch would have been connected to the tree. This is the part of the branch that would have been rooted into the tree. It looks like with time, the elements wore away the loose, kind of rotten parts of the tree. There might have been a log laid down in here between the rocks that slowly rotted away. And this branch might have been sticking up so it stayed dry. It didn't rot as quickly as the log did. And so this ended up the hardest part of the wood, would be my guess, is what lasted. You can see the moss kind of growing on here and stuff. And, I would encourage you guys to get out and live a life of adventure. It doesn't always involve a plane ticket. It doesn't always involve a lot of money. I literally walked here back into the mountains from my wood shop door. So there's a lot of adventure close by. I think every state probably has some adventure to be had, whether it's canoeing or getting out into the backcountry and backpacking. Camping. There's a lot of outdoor adventure, and I think we're gonna lug this piece with us, and we're gonna try and carve something into it. Casey and I are back in the mountains. We're backpacking. We're gonna be camping and spending the night. I've lugged some carving tools with me, chisels and gouges. So we're gonna go ahead and I think this might be the piece of wood that we'll try and carve something into.
One of the challenges of carving in the backcountry is setting up a workstation and securing the workpiece. You're not allowed to cut or damage any living tree in the forest without a permit. My solution was to secure the carving wood with a green ratchet strap and use my body weight to hold everything in place.
So when we're backpacking and camping, weight is always a consideration. Everything has to be lugged in and out on our backs in our pack. So we're eating ramen today, and I'm adding a little tuna. It's lightweight, it's easy to carry, and it adds a little protein to the meal. getting ready to turn in for the evening. It's starting to get dark. The sun is set. Tomorrow we're going to hike up and get up on the summit of the mountain. I think I mentioned before that I walked here from my wood shop. So my wood shop actually lays down at the bottom of the valley down this way. It's due east. So each day the sun sets on the back side of that mountain peak and throws a shadow down to my wood shop. I've been carving there for 24 years.
As always, we like to number the carving to the corresponding YouTube video. Since this is our 15th video, the carving will be number 15.